Innovative SuperStand. The innovative SuperStand will make the tough repairs look easy. The SuperStand makes prep, repairs, and painting faster and easier, ensuring quality results. It will hold any plastic bumper cover securely without touching the painted surface. You can adjust the SuperStand to your desired angle with its 5 locking positions. The cover can be rotated 90 degrees to ensure proper paint coverage time after time. Overspray is not an issue. Rubber boots have been installed in the key areas to provide the proper protection. You will be amazed at how easy it is to mount a cover. The SuperStand provides great ease, speed, and efficiency to your shop space. This is the innovative SuperStand.